Okay, so I'm just going to do a run through of the electronics that I expect to put in the forearm. The hand itself is mechanically complete, apart from the soft printed parts and possibly another material at the beginning, which I'm going to use to cover the back of the hand, palm of the hand, and I imagine some of the tactile surfaces on the inside of the fingers. To be decided. Anyway, in here we have 2 lipos, 16 servo cables, and up to 3 serial servo cables. And that all has to be controlled locally by a microprocessor and remotely over ZigBee serial from either the ARM or a higher level processor. And for now I'm also going to keep an SBus signal, because SBus is programmable just on a normal handset. So far it's only been tested with SBus, in fact even just with a normal receiver, because it's still got the servo plugs on. In the next stage these are all going to have to be cut off, which is always slightly nerve-wracking. No big deal really, but you know, always feels slightly irreversible. And then the board I'm going to use is an Arduino Mega, because fortunately it comes in this very small format, and very handily it has 4 serial channels, and that means you can keep 1 for debugging, you have 1 for your SBus, 1 for your XB, and 1 to power your serial servos, and those are used in the wrist. Now it also has 3.3 volts and 5.0 volts as stabilised outputs, so that gets rid of these 2. However, I think that what I will keep is this, which is a switch mode power supply, and that will allow the 2 lipos to be regulated down to a constant 6 volts, and I think up to about 5 amps for the servos up in my hand there. So that's the next stage. Got to start with getting some code running so you know your Arduinos and everything are functioning, then wiring everything up, and then we should be able to control it over the joysticks. That's about as far as you can take it manually. After that you're on to programming in Arduino, but ideally something with a lot more punch behind it, but we shall get to that later.